Let's do a day in my life as a PhD student in ecology. Last week I had my confirmation exam, so I'm now a candidate, which is really cool, but I have a lot to do before Christmas, so let's go. I like to start my morning by entering data. This is pretty brainless for me, so it's a good way to warm up. I just go through the data that I collected in the lab the day before and add it to my spreadsheet. Then it was time to collect more data, so I headed over to the lab. And this is me in my lab coat. What I'm doing right now is sorting the insect samples that I got last summer from my pitfall traps, and I'm sorting them by order so that I can taxonomically identify them better later, but also knowing counts of order is pretty useful to me. The reason I'm swishing it around like that is that the pitfall traps got some mud in them and some of the bugs got buried, so I'm trying to mix it with water to dissolve the mud and get the bugs to float to the top. It's a very glamorous process. Once all the bugs are sorted, I count them and put them in vials with more specific labels so I can use them and identify them again later. And after about 6 hours of that, I went home and made some Annies. I was really excited because my friend from the US brought this for me and I've been missing it so much. If you know, you know. And then I added the new data into my spreadsheet and it's starting to look really full, which is really cool.